In this video, I will show you step by step on how to compress your video file from large file to a very smaller size without losing the quality of the video using your Windows PC fast and free method. So let's make. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub, and if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back. The first thing you want to do is to go to your address bar right here, and then what you need to do is to type in download.cnet.com and press enter. Then it takes you to this particular website right here. Then you have to navigate to the sidebar right here. Then on getting to this sidebar, if you are using Windows, you have to make sure you click on Windows. If you are using Mac, you have to make sure you click on Mac. But in this tutorial, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to select on Windows. Having select on Windows, next thing you want to do is to navigate to video right here. Just click on video, then it takes you to this particular page. You can see Windows apps for video. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down, and then you have to make sure you click on any video converter. Then it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on download now. Then if your download is not start immediately, you can click on restart download. Then your download folder will be prepared just like what you see right here. Okay. After a successful download, just click on the folder and press enter on your keyboard to run the setup. Then it takes you to this page. Just click on yes. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on install now. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on finished. Done. So you're going to have the software icon on your PC just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to run the setup. Just click on it and press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so it's going to load up the workflow like so. After a successful download and install any video converter to kit, next thing you want to do is to let's see how we can explore the tools and how we can use the tools to compress our video file. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to compress video. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on add video. Then you locate your video file. So I'm going to add this particular video file right here. You can see the video file size is 38.3 megabytes. The length is just 4 minutes video. Then I'm going to select the video. Then I'll make sure I click on open. Now the next thing I need to do is to come to the output size right here. So we can come to compress to 80%. Then the next thing you want to do is to work on the output option. So right here, output directory where you want your video file to be directed. So I'm going to click on here. Then I will direct the output to this particular point. Then I'll make sure I click on select folder. That is that. Next thing I'm going to do is to work on output format. You can make it MP4. Next thing I'm going to do is to come down below here and make sure I click on start. So the file has been successfully compressed. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on View Output File. Then we have the output file to be 13.6 megabytes. So let's play the video and see the quality. So you can see we still maintain the quality of this video despite the fact that the file has been drastically reduced to a very minimal file size. So this is how to compress your video file, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress, all for free using your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.